Welcome to TRICARE Overseas. In this video, you will learn how to manage your locations in the Administration section. To access administration, you will need to be logged in. To log in, just type your username and password in the login box shown on screen, and then select the Login button. This will allow you to have access to all of the secured sections, including Administration. The default in the Administration section is the My Locations tab. The My Locations tab is the focus of this tutorial. Depending on your level of access, Standard versus Administrator, you may have other tabs to Manage Web Users, Accept or Reject Pending Access Requests, and My Pending Invites. You will see a list of all the locations that you have access, have requested, and have been denied to. You will be able to filter by specialty or role, request access to another location, or remove the location from your list. Select the Request Access to Another Location button for adding additional locations to your list. You will be required to enter the provider's tax ID and zip code of the location you want access to, and select Search to display a list of results that match your criteria. If there is no administrator already registered at the location you are requesting access to, you will be required to self-authorize. To self-authorize, select the Self-Authorize button of the location you want access. Confirm the location is correct and then enter the required information for validation. Select the Submit to Self-Authorize button to complete the process. If you want to request access from an administrator, select the Request to Admin button of the location you want access to, confirm the location name, and select Send Request. Each location will show your type of access, Standard versus Administrator, and the status, Approved, Pending, or Denied. You will have the option to remove the location from your list by selecting the Remove Location from My List link. Select the View Location Details button to manage location details. The provider administrator has the ability to notify TRICARE Overseas of a change to the provider physical location by selecting the Request Address Change link. The request will be sent to our provider certification unit to have the claim system provider file updated. The Web Users in Location tab allows an administrator to change the access type for all web users associated with the location and to remove any web users from having access. The administrator can change all users' access at the same time by using the Select All checkbox. They can select one or many users at a time by checking the box next to each user that will be updated or removed. They can sort the users by using the Show drop-down, All Users, Standard, or Administrator. The Clinic Providers tab allows all users to see the associated doctors with the clinic. An administrator will be able to request a new doctor be added to the claim system provider file, or to have one removed because the doctor is no longer with the clinic. The Web Access Requests tab allows the administrator to see who has requested access to that specific location. They can accept or reject the request from this tab. The Paperless Preference tab allows a user to see what paperless preference has been set for the location. An administrator has the ability to change the status for the location. We have reached the end of this administration tutorial. We hope the information we provided was helpful. Have a great day.